Hello. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my shabby saloon. I'm so happy to be back here. I'm my only customer. I have really good reviews on Yelp. Believe me. So my friends, ignore the background. I mean, it's always a mess, but this time it's even more a mess because we're moving currently and well, soon, and we're already packing all of our stuff and just Marie Kondoing everything basically, but it's still a mess, so please ignore it. While all of this moving stuff is happening, I was like, I want to change my hair once again. Moving makes me want to change my hair. I'm basically back to my original hair color. This is my original hair color, but this is basically the hair color I always wear. Anyway, let's straight get to the point of this video. I am actually gonna cut my hair myself for the first time ever in my whole life. That's the only thing I always let hairdressers do. Like, I dye my hair all the time, but if it comes to cutting my hair, I have shit in my pants, so I'm not gonna do it myself. But today I decided, let's do it. Let's do it with you. And I'm gonna do something which has always been in my head since I was born, and that is cutting myself some bangs or fringe. Do you say fringe or bangs? Oh, and if you're interested in my eyebrow situation, that's what they look like. They're still bleached AF, but right now I just drew them in. It's like very shitty lighting right now, but you can see what's happening. So I actually bought some hair cutting scissors. This is so satisfying, you guys. I have no idea how to cut bangs. No idea, but it wouldn't be my channel if I would have an idea, so.
Oh.
I literally just showed them the sound of these scissors. I've been to my hairdresser and he just told me like a trick how to cut bangs, and that would be to just take like all of the hair you want to take and then you just twist it, lock it, polka dot it. You just like twist it around. Well, that's a look.
This much?
I don't know, I think I took too much.
Are
Less.
you ready to cut?
No, no,
Okay,
no.
okay. Looks great.
Okay, so I don't think I'm quite ready for that. I'm kind of nervous to cut my hair because I've never ever done this before. So let me just watch some bangs cutting tutorials with my phone. My hairdresser is literally texting me right now.
Be careful, I'm worried.
Cutting own bangs.
Why am I so nervous about this?
Well, same girl. Oh, it should be like a even triangle up here. Oh, she looks so cute. Cutting my own hair at 2 AM. Love that. Okay, so he is not taking too much, I think.
It's happening. Oh, no, 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 no.
Okay, I think I've seen enough. I'm gonna be a professional. I've seen 2 videos cutting bangs, so now I should be able to do this.
Looks good already.
Give me my triangle. I can't see. Where's my triangle? Ow! Ah! I just ripped me hairs out. Where's my triangle so uneven? I feel like it was more triangle-y in the other videos. Okay, should I do this, guys?
Yes, I could see the vision.
Okay, I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready. Stop yawning! This is a very exciting moment.
Ooh. Yeah.
You want some hair? Ah, help! What is this? Thanks, guys, for watching. What do I do now? I don't know how to fix this. Can't see shit, actually. I need more hair.
Where do you take it?
I don't know. Where do I take it from? Help! I can't see. How do people do this?
Yes. This looks even.
Don't worry, I got this. I got this. This is the process of cutting bangs because it looks horrendous. What do I do now? Is the question. I'm scared I'm gonna cut my lashes off.
Oh god.
I got it in my eye. How do people do this without dying?
This is a great look.
Yeah, my middle part is kind of making problems because it's like separating my hair like this. Well, I don't know how to proceed from here. Going great so far. I'm kind of getting the idea of what it should look like, but my hair's like too flat and it's really hard to cut them yourself because my eyes are literally right there and I'm really scared I'm gonna cut my eyelashes off or I'm gonna cut my eyes out. Looks so derpy in the viewfinder.
Concentration phase.
I don't want to know how many of my hairs are getting into my eye and just like sinking into my brain or something.
Your right side still longer?
Yeah, I think so. I still have the problem. This is not what I signed up for. Bangs? I don't know about bangs. Who said bangs? Boom! Oh. Oh my god, nobody told me about this. I'm literally cutting my lashes off right now. Do I look like shit?
Okay, I think you need something there.
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you use for this? This part?
Oh.
Stop!
Good.
Is it too short? No, it's not
It
too short.
would be longer, but okay. Hat nochmal sowas dazwischen, so I think.
That's really weird. Oh, that was a lot. What do you think?
You look 8 years older now.
Do I? I feel like this is so uneven. Oh no, my middle part is so weird with my bangs. It's like, there's always a hole here. But I feel like it's still a little too long. I don't know, it's kind of annoying. This is my reference picture. Oh my god, who did that to her?
You can always cut more, but...
It's like not a transition at all. Ooh, this got really, really short.
This is a lot of hair.
I know, might be a little bit too much. I'm making it worse. No, I'm just gonna, nothing happened. This is so weird. What is that? I need to cut that off. Oh, that's so weird, Vincent. I have stuff on my forehead.
Ay, Mami! Mach mal so ein bisschen Headbang.
Okay.
Bring da mal so ein bisschen Volume rein. Yes! Undo that.
I'm Lord Forkwood. Maybe like a little boon?
Oh!
Ah! But to be honest, I feel like that's not enough change. I feel like I want to dye it again. Should I dye my hair? Like, I know that wasn't the video, but I mean, my hair is like ready to be dyed. This is like my hair dyeing color. I need like a total person change.
Oh my god, what are you going through? Should we be worried?
I'm moving and you are too. Before I dye my hair, maybe I should remove my hair. Do you want this? This is like my little bouquet for you. I feel like I want to do like pink, like I'm inspired by my sweater. Should I do this color? I need more pink in my life. I feel like you're ready to dye my hair again, aren't you? You woke up today feeling like you want to dye my hair. I knew it. Guys, I got my Musically sweater on and I know all of you are going to be triggered because it's white.
I mean, it used to be wide.
Yeah.
What?
That was literally me on the toilet 2 weeks ago. That's literally the brush.
You always mix in the colors of your brushes.
True. Oops. By the way, guys, as I said, we're moving and there's gonna be a moving vlog coming. Well, if you can call it a vlog. I hate calling my videos vlogs. But anyway, I'm gonna film a little bit for you guys because it's very exciting. Even more exciting than cutting myself bangs. Vincent is actually gonna film a video too! He's actually gonna redecorate my whole room and so I don't live in a mess anymore because Vincent is really talented if it comes to decorating. I have no idea what my room is gonna look like. We just like got a rough color scheme, but Vincent is gonna buy everything and he's gonna place everything and he's got an idea of what it's gonna look like and I don't. So if you wanna check his video out, it's not out yet, but it's gonna be soon. And now let's dye my freaking hair. Woo!
You always do it the same way. You just, how do I do this? And then you just start.
Yes, that's my technique. How do I dye my bangs? Like this?
Wow, you're pink.
Look, I got a little potato on my forehead.
Oh, it's a pigtail.
True, it's a little pigtail. What do I do with it? It's like, help! I have so much hair. Why? I cut myself bangs and there should be less hair. I'm so hungry.
What's my job in this?
I don't know.
Looks like surgery.
Scalp.
Scalp? Scalpel. Look, we're one and the same. We're anything but ordinary. Looks like ice cream.
Does it?
Yeah, because it's very streaky, you know.
Thanks. I lost me pencil. Oh my god. I love it. What am I? Am I a unicorn now?
Oh, you are. Definitely. You know.
I'm alive. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, it's so pink. Wow.
It's raining men.
Is it? You try your best, but you don't succeed.
Stuck in river.
I don't care. I could follow. I don't care. Suddenly it turned very red. It's like the same color as the bowl. This goes straight into the length of my hair. Too much.
Of a woman, too much of a bit.
That's a weird color. It looks like ketchup. It disappeared. Well, we're just gonna finish applying it and then hope for the best. I can already see it. It's gonna be so streaky. I can almost see it.
There's a voice
Inside my
head say,
you never reach it. I should stop singing because otherwise I'm gonna be copyrighted again. Just because of singing a song without any background music. YouTube, what is happening? Are we good? Let's hope this is gonna look good. Darker than I thought. Are we ready to party?
no special effects. Oh.
No, don't show my room. We're gonna let that soak in, just like always. Pim pam pow, sucky ducky whoop.
What?
Swoop, swoop, swiggity swag. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And then I'll be back with bangs and pink hair. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so crazy. Vincent, do you want to see the result?
Wow.
Isn't it different?
Wow, it looks like a wig.
Yeah, right? Is that a wig? Do you think it looks good?
Yo, I really like the bangs. I'm not crazy about pink hair in general, but
Okay, well... Yeah, guys, that's the new me now. I have bangs. I don't know for how long. And at least I don't have to draw my eyebrows in anymore.
True.
Freedom! You guys, that has been my first experience cutting my hair. And I think it could have gone worse. You want to do something too in the Shabby Saloon? I only have one customer, which is me, so I want to expand my customer range. Yeah, Vincent already signed up for having some fake freckles, so maybe he's gonna be in the Shabby Saloon soon. That was a silent laugh.
Oh my god.
I'm coconut head. This is gonna be my thumbnail. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, which is Naomijon on
Instagram,
Naomijon Snap on
Snapchat,
and the Naomijon on
Twitter.
The weather. Today I dyed mi pelo pink. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Nos vemos! Adios!